For most beginners, ClickBank feels simple at first. Create an account, pick a product, share a link. That's what almost every tutorial says. But when people actually try to follow these steps, nothing really happens. No clicks, no traffic, no sales. And it starts to feel like something is missing because the steps are visible, but the structure behind them is not. When beginners search for a step-by-step process, they expect a checklist. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. But ClickBank doesn't work like a checklist. It works like a flow. And when that flow is not clear, each step becomes isolated. You can complete every step and still not have a working system. Before anything inside ClickBank, there is something that needs to exist first. Attention, people, traffic. Not inside the platform, but outside of it. This is the real starting point. It could come from search-based content, short-form videos, or platforms where people are already active. Without a defined traffic source, nothing moves. After that comes product selection. But this is where most beginners make a mistake. They choose based on numbers, high gravity, high commissions. But ignore context. A product only works when it matches the audience coming in. The content, the expectation, and the problem being solved all need to align. Without that, even a good product won't convert. Now comes the part most people skip: the transition between traffic and the product. This is the bridge. It just needs to guide the user naturally from interest, curiosity, action. Without this step, people don't move forward. They watch, but don't click. At a basic level, everyone knows this part. Generate your ClickBank link. Place it somewhere. But placement is not just technical. It's strategic. If the user is not ready, they won't click. If the message is unclear, the link gets ignored. So the link is not the system. It's just one part of it. This is where most beginners stop too early. They try once, maybe twice, and expect something to happen. But ClickBank doesn't work on single actions. It works on repetition. Multiple pieces of content, multiple entry points, multiple attempts. Over time, patterns start to appear. And that's when improvement becomes possible. So the real step-by-step process looks like this: traffic source, content, bridge, link, product, repeat. Simple, but connected. Each step depends on the previous one. Remove one part, and the system breaks. This is why many beginners feel stuck. They follow steps, but not the sequence. They take action, but without structure. And ClickBank by itself doesn't fix that, because it was never meant to be the starting point. It's just one part of a larger system. If you want to see how this entire structure is organized step by step in a guided format, there is a full breakdown available in the description below.